Imagine an AI that doesn't just respond, but truly understands you. An AI that can see what you see, hear what you say, and interact like a real conversation partner. Sound like science fiction? Welcome to Gemini 2.0, where the future of AI is not just arriving, it's happening right now. In the next few minutes, I'm going to blow your mind by showing you an AI that can talk to you like a human, read text from your camera in real time, solve complex problems just by looking at your screen, and even help you navigate your computer like a tech-savvy assistant.
Okay, now let's start by voice interaction examples. So let's get started. I'm just going to do talk to Gemini and let's wait for it to connect to the server. Can you tell me about the latest trends in AI development?
Sure, I can discuss the latest trends in AI development. Currently, there's a strong focus on improving the capabilities of large language models, making them more efficient and more accessible. Additionally, there's an increase in research in areas like generative AI, which can create new content, and edge AI, which brings AI processing closer to where data is collected.
Do you mind elaborating on the type of AI models we have?
No problem, I can elaborate on the types of AI models. There are several types, such as supervised learning models that learn from labeled data, and unsupervised learning models which find patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning models learn by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties. And lastly, deep learning models, which use neural networks with many layers.
I was mostly referring to the type of model you are, which is Gemini, which is a multimodal AI. I wanted some insight into that. So, do you mind sharing some of it?
Of course, I can share some information about multimodal AI models like Gemini. These models are designed to process and understand multiple types of data, such as text, images, and audio, all at once. This allows for a richer understanding of the world and more versatile applications. Would you like to know more about specific applications?
Yeah, it would be wonderful if you can give me which type of use cases in real world would be best suited for this.
Certainly, let's explore some real-world use cases for multimodal AI. These models excel in applications like enhanced customer service, where they can analyze both text and audio from customer interactions. They also are useful in content creation by integrating different media types, and in medical diagnoses by combining image and text analysis. Are there any specific areas that you would be more interested in?
I am more interested in some career advice. I'm aspiring to become an AI researcher. I just need to know what all skills I should beef up on my resume and work on so that I can end up being an AI researcher.
Okay, I can certainly offer some career advice for aspiring AI researchers. A strong foundation in mathematics, especially linear algebra, calculus, and probability, is crucial. You'll also need proficiency in programming languages like Python and a solid understanding of machine learning and deep learning concepts. In addition, developing excellent problem-solving and analytical skills is key for success in this field.
And is there any type of work I need to do, like head into Kaggle, practice something, or try using something like Llama, work on integrating applications into that? Is that what I should focus on, or more about the math behind the AI models, which would basically equip me to build new AI models at a different workplace? So what should be my area of focus?
That's a great question regarding practical steps you can take. Engaging in platforms like Kaggle for practical AI experience and working on open source AI projects are both valuable. You could also consider working on integrating applications using AI tools to build a portfolio, but you should also focus on studying the mathematical foundation. Both the practical and theoretical aspects of AI will be beneficial to your career.
Okay, that's very interesting. I just also wanted to know, since you are the go-to guy for any issues related to Gemini, I wanted to know what all are the features for Google AI Studio. Do you mind giving me Do you mind giving me a quick walkthrough of all the features and how do I get myself up to speed on all the features that are in Google AI Studio?
Of course, let's briefly go over the features of Google AI Studio. It provides tools for prototyping and experimenting with AI models, including a code editor, model tuning options, and the ability to test your models with different data. It also allows you to collaborate with others on projects, and it is very useful for quick prototyping and testing ideas before implementing them in real-world applications.
And how does it work with different models we have, right? So there are various models that are in Google AI Studio, like Gemini 2.0, Flash, and the others. Do you have insight into all of them?
Yes, I do have insights into the different models available in Google AI Studio. It supports various models, including those optimized for speed, like Gemini Flash, and others designed for more complex tasks. These models can be selected within AI Studio to match the needs of your project. Would you like to learn more about a specific model?
If you can provide me a pointer, that would be great. I'll follow it up from there.
Okay, a key pointer would be to explore the Google AI Studio documentation directly. It provides comprehensive guides and detailed specifications of each model, including their capabilities and limitations. You can also check out the official Google AI blog for any new model announcements.
And any insight into pricing? In a country
Yes,
like
I can
India?
share some insight into pricing. Google AI Studio offers a mix of free and paid options. Many of the basic features are available at no cost, while access to the more advanced capabilities and models may require a subscription based on usage. The exact pricing details can be found on the official Google AI website.
Yeah, that's very interesting, and thank you for the quick intro for all the data. And do you mind sharing some insight into what all are these code extensions, function calling, automate function response, and grounding on the right?
Of course, let's delve into those features. Code extensions allow you to integrate custom code directly into your prompts, while function calling enables the AI to interact with external tools and APIs. Automate function response helps with automatically structuring and returning data from function calls, and grounding ensures that the responses are relevant and consistent with the prompt. Would you like more detail on?
Is grounding more like a RAG?
Yes, you are correct. Grounding is indeed similar to a RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation technique. Grounding helps AI models.
And just to be clear, the code execution is what you meant, right? Not the extension. I don't see anything called extension in the option. I see execution.
You are right, my apologies. I was referring to code execution, not code extension. Thank you for catching that. Code execution allows the model to run code snippets directly within the AI Studio environment, which is different from extensions that provide external functionality.
And how many languages does code execution support in Gemini?
Currently, code execution in Gemini primarily supports Python. However, it's constantly evolving, and support for other languages might be added in the future. Do you have a specific language in mind?
I was more interested in something like Go or Scala or Java. Is it supported or not? Or should I have to wait a couple of more days for that to show up in the as officially supported? So that's what my primary issue was about.
I understand. As of now, Go, Scala, and Java are not officially supported for code execution in Gemini. It's a good idea to keep an eye on the official Gemini documentation and blog for updates on any new languages supported, as they do frequently add new features.
We've just scratched the surface of Gemini 2.0's conversational capabilities. But trust me, you haven't seen anything yet. In the next part of this video, I'm going to blow your mind with something truly revolutionary. Imagine an AI that can read text directly from your camera, solve complex problems just by looking at a drawing, understand your screen in ways you never thought possible. If you thought our conversation was impressive, what's coming next will completely change how you see artificial intelligence. Subscribe now because you will not want to miss what's coming next. The real magic of Gemini 2.0 is about to unfold.